I am going to the supermarket.
I am going to the supermarket.
I am coming from the supermarket.
I am coming from the supermarket.
I am coming from school.
I am coming from school.
I am at home.
I am at home.
I am in the garden.
I am in the garden.
I am going to bed now.
I am going to bed now.
I am in the bathroom.
I am in the bathroom.
I am coming from the beach.
I am coming from the beach.
I am going to the bakery.
I am going to the bakery.
I'm sending this letter to my parents.
I'm sending this letter to my parents.
The train is going to New York.
The train is going to New York.
The birds are in the tree.
The birds are in the tree.
I am in the car.
I am in the car.
I am in the shower.
I am in the shower.
She comes from the mountains.
She comes from the mountains.
We are traveling to New York next week.
We are traveling to New York next week.
The cat is under the table.
The cat is under the table.
The package arrived from Italy.
The package arrived from Italy.
I am coming from work.
I am coming from work.
I am going to the doctor.
I am going to the doctor.
I am in the kitchen.
I am in the kitchen.
I am going to the movies.
I am going to the movies.
I am coming from the gym.
I am coming from the gym.
I am at the bus stop.
I am at the bus stop.
I am going to my friend's house.
I am going to my friend's house.
I am coming from the library.
I am coming from the library.
I am coming from the dentist.
I am coming from the dentist.
I am at work.
I am at work.
I am going to the bank.
I am going to the bank.
I am coming from the city center.
I am coming from the city center.
I am going to the restaurant.
I am going to the restaurant.
I am coming from the concert.
I am coming from the concert.
I am at the train station.
I am at the train station.
I am going to class.
I am going to class.
I am in the living room.
I am in the living room.
I am going to the park.
I am going to the park.
I am coming from my parents' house.
I am coming from my parents' house.
I am at the university.
I am at the university.
I am going to the swimming pool.
I am going to the swimming pool.
I am coming from the market.
I am coming from the market.
I am in my bedroom.
I am in my bedroom.
I am coming from the doctor's office.
I am coming from the doctor's office.
I am at the office.
I am at the office.
I am going to the post office.
I am going to the post office.
I am in the classroom.
I am in the classroom.
I am going to the cafe.
I am going to the cafe.
I am coming from the pharmacy.
I am coming from the pharmacy.
I am at the airport.
I am at the airport.
I am going to the shopping center.
I am going to the shopping center.
I am coming from a meeting.
I am coming from a meeting.
I am going to the gym.
I am going to the gym.
I am coming from the restaurant.
I am coming from the restaurant.
I am at the hotel.
I am at the hotel.
I'm going to the library.
I am going to the library.
I am coming from a party.
I am coming from a party.
I am going to a concert.
I am going to a concert.
I am coming from the airport.
I am coming from the airport.
The children are at school.
The children are at school.
He is returning from vacation.
He is returning from vacation.
My grandmother lives in the countryside.
My grandmother lives in the countryside.
The tourists are heading to the museum.
The tourists are heading to the museum.
They are driving to the beach today.
They are driving to the beach today.
Our friends are at the restaurant.
Our friends are at the restaurant.
The bus is going to the city center.
The bus is going to the city center.
She is returning from her friend's house.
She is returning from her friend's house.
The book is on the shelf.
The book is on the shelf.
We are moving to a new apartment.
We are moving to a new apartment.
The students came from different countries.
The students came from different countries.
My keys are in my pocket.
My keys are in my pocket.
This recipe comes from my grandmother.
This recipe comes from my grandmother.
The concert is in the park.
The concert is in the park.
The wind is blowing from the north.
The wind is blowing from the north.
The meeting is in the conference room.
The meeting is in the conference room.
We're climbing to the top of the mountain.
We're climbing to the top of the mountain.
I'm going to bed early tonight.
I'm going to bed early tonight.
The documents are on my desk.
The documents are on my desk.
They're running to the station.
They're running to the station.
This water comes from a mountain spring.
This water comes from a mountain spring.
The dog is in the garden.
The dog is in the garden.
We're flying to Spain for our vacation.
We're flying to Spain for our vacation.
The email came from the head office.
The email came from the head office.
Your glasses are next to the computer.
Your glasses are next to the computer.
I'm walking to the bakery for fresh bread.
I'm walking to the bakery for fresh bread.
These flowers are from my garden.
These flowers are from my garden.
The children are playing in the yard.
The children are playing in the yard.
We're going to the movies tonight.
We're going to the movies tonight.
She's returning from her yoga class.
She's returning from her yoga class.
The wallet is between the cushions.
The wallet is between the cushions.
I'm sending you to the best restaurant in town.
I'm sending you to the best restaurant in town.
This cheese comes from France.
This cheese comes from France.
The party is at Michael's house.
The party is at Michael's house.
She's taking her children to the zoo.
She's taking her children to the zoo.
He's coming back from the gym.
He's coming back from the gym.
We're inviting them to our summer house.
We're inviting them to our summer house.
This idea comes from ancient philosophy.
This idea comes from ancient philosophy.
The remote control is on the coffee table.
The remote control is on the coffee table.
I'm transferring money to my savings account.
I'm transferring money to my savings account.
This song comes from my childhood.
This song comes from my childhood.
The painting is above the fireplace.
The painting is above the fireplace.
We're going to the wedding reception.
We're going to the wedding reception.
My favorite cafe is around the corner.
My favorite cafe is around the corner.
The hikers are heading to the waterfall.
The hikers are heading to the waterfall.
This package is from my sister.
This package is from my sister.
Our car is in the parking garage.
Our car is in the parking garage.
I'm sending this report to headquarters.
I'm sending this report to headquarters.
She's coming from the hair salon.
She's coming from the hair salon.
The festival is in the town square.
The festival is in the town square.
We're going to the lake for swimming.
We're going to the lake for swimming.
The cookies are in the blue jar.
The cookies are in the blue jar.
She's taking her dog to the veterinarian.
She's taking her dog to the veterinarian.